Thailand, the land of smiles, offers an incredible opportunity for cultural immersion and growth. Imagine living in a vibrant place like Hua Hin, filled with stunning beaches and warm hospitality. From beautiful beaches to lively night markets, Hua Hin provides endless activities and unforgettable dining experiences. When you choose the TEFL course here, you're embarking on a journey of education and exploration. Engage in Muay Thai lessons, cooking classes, and cultural etiquette workshops to enrich your experience. Subsequent weeks focus on essential methods for teaching English as a second language, preparing you thoroughly. With hands-on training in a Thai classroom, you will gain practical skills alongside fellow TESOL participants. Your journey culminates in a memorable graduation ceremony, celebrating your incredible achievement with global peers. Accommodation options cater to every preference, whether you enjoy luxury or affordability near the beach. Course fees cover essential training, with flexible payment options designed for your convenience. The internationally accredited TESOL certificate can open doors to teaching opportunities worldwide and beyond.